All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill, top 6 teeth. This is 10K white gold, and it has a starburst design on each tooth, as you can see there. Beautiful handmade grills, guys. Here's the backside. You got your 10K stamp right there. This is 10K white gold. All right, you can get this done for the top, bottom, or a full top and bottom set. That's up to you. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check that shine out, guys. Beautiful. It's handmade from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. And you got that nice, beautifully detailed starburst designs on each tooth. Check us out online, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.